how to auto blend layers on Photoshop. So today this tutorial I'm gonna blend my F22 this picture in this background. Firstly, let's select the F22 Raptor. So now I'm gonna use this lasso tool and select the area. And now I'm going to copy this selected layer and paste it here. Now I'm going to use Ctrl T to adjust the image size. And I will go to the layer and select both of the layers and go to Edit. And here you can see the option Auto Blend Layers. Just tap on the option and click on Stack Images and click on OK. This is how you blend layers seamlessly and flawlessly in Photoshop. So if you found this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.